What's happening, guys? Guys, if you're new here, my name is Shrey, and you are watching Shrey TV, baby. How are you? Why is this thing loose? Okay, can you hear me? Yes, looks like. Okay, let's look at Bitcoin. What is happening with Bitcoin? How's everyone? So, that's the region we should be aiming for, between 25 to 27. My stance is still the same. It has not changed, and bull run officially of 2023 has begun. Yes, it's not too early. I should say it's early. Okay, people who think they are left behind, this video is for them. Okay, there are many coins. If you think the coin that you're looking at has gone 50, 60, 70% up, well, it'll keep on going up. Okay? It'll keep on going up. Especially the altcoins are going to go berserk. Mark my words, altcoins are going to go berserk. Any pullback is just a chance, an opportunity to get in. That's it. How's everyone? Free. What's up? Shrey TV, baby. Ahmed, how are you, brother? Yeah, man. Looking at several altcoins. Say, for example, there's one. I'll just say SLP. This coin is going to have 100% move any time, okay? We'll go to 618 to this level. We might have a pullback. The pullback is going on right now. There's a possibility we may hit this level. This level right here. Come and kiss this level before moving up, and it'll be vertical. When it starts to go up, it's going to be vertical to this level. It'll be 100 to 110% move for SLP. Just giving you a heads up so you know. And it'll not stop there. There will be a pullback in this region, in this vicinity. There'll be a pullback for a few days, and it'll not stop. If SLP is not going to stop, that means not many altcoins are going to stop. They are going to go berserk, and you will not get an opportunity. You'll just keep on going up vertically, right? And this whole move will happen in the time frame of between, I would say, 30 days, 30 to 50 days maximum. 30 to 50 days. I am bull. That does not mean this cycle, all the gains will be lost. Okay, all the gains. If people don't take profit at the right time, at the right place, all these gains will be gone. Because if you see the total crypto market cap, see what happened here? I expect something similar. We just started our bull run, right? So we are here somewhere in this vicinity. So we would go up and come back down. This thing will play out. There's no ifs and buts. It will play out. It does not always work in the same fashion. The way we go up here will be a little bit different, you know. There is just one possibility where we would go up to this level. To this level and come back down. Okay? This particular level is very critical when we hit 618 right here. When we hit 618, $1.2 to $1.3 trillion, I expect a big pullback. How big it'll be? Will it come and stop here? Will it come and stop here, or will we come back, make a double bottom? So we'll have to see. We'll have to see. But I do expect some sort of pullback, and that pullback will be good. Okay? Depending on where my altcoins are, right? I have certain levels where I'm taking profits in my altcoins. Depending on where they are, I'm going to take profit accordingly. So it's possible that we may get a pullback that is like this, comes to this level, and we keep on going up to 2.618, okay, right here. And then we get a massive pullback. That is somewhere in May, April, May. And you get a massive pullback, big one, giant one, right? That comes down here. So I will see where my altcoins are. And depending on that, I will make a decision. So I just wanted to give you a heads up what's going on. 618, I expect a pullback, and a pullback at 2618. It's totally possible. Again, if my altcoins have reached the level that I'm expecting, then I would take profits right here. If not, that's a pullback. It's an opportunity to trade. And then we go up back up again to 1.8 to $2 trillion. Okay? But that's the goal. But bull run has officially begun. Okay? Don't get left behind. Don't get left behind. William Carroll, Shrey, yo. How are you, Bill? Bitcoin Baijan, hi Shrey, how are you, brother? Hello, my brother, how are you doing? Please tell me CVX is going to moon, LOL. Everything will go to the moon. Next 50 days, 50 to 70 days, everything is going to the freaking moon. If your altcoin is down 95%, bro, it's going to the moon, all right? Depending on what you hold and where it is in its cycle, you will have your gains accordingly, okay? The coins that I'm bullish on, Bitcoin Cash, I'm bullish on Smooth Love Potion, Theta. There are many coins, you know, but I tend to look on the coins which I have, Zilliqa, you know, all these coins, great gains, great. Hey Shrey, what do you think about XYO? Have you ever heard of the project? Yes, I did. I've done analysis on XYO several times, brother. Loom is looming. Oh, really? Let's see where Loom is. See, Loom Network, you know, I'm going to go this way. Hold on. This is much better. So look at Loom Network and look at, I'll repeat, Litecoin. See this? You can expect something like this for Loom Network. We can go up considerably. Hit 618. So as soon as we hit 618, that's where I would take profits on Loom Network. Right here, Loom. Because altcoins, I expect all the gains to be lost. Any gains that we make right now in altcoins, all will be gone. Will be gone. Can we go 618, 786? Depends. Or was this the move that we went to 618 here? But I do expect that Loom Network will create some sort of triangle. Again, we created a triangle here. Like this. We get out of this. $618 or $786. We stop somewhere here, you know, and create another little triangle. Because 2023, the idea is to waste time. The whole 2023 until end of 2023. That's what's going to happen. All the gains will be gone. We will come back to the same stage where we are. So any gains that we get right now, I will be taking profits, okay? I can be wrong. I can be wrong, but hey, I take that responsibility on me. You do you, I do me. I am going to take profits. I do not think that this run will just keep on going up. Because 2023 altcoins, many altcoins are going to give very good gains. You know, we'll come a halfway. For example, if your portfolio is down 95%, you'll get halfway, at least halfway. Say if your portfolio was, say, $300,000 at the top, maybe you get about 150 or 160,000, 170,000, and then from there, you know, lose all the gains, because the real bull run will start in 2024. So we have to waste time. Start of the video, I mentioned the total crypto market cap. Look at the total crypto market cap. We are going to go through this phase. Anytime the bull run starts, we go through this bullshit time. Is it going to be something like this? See, here was the bottom, right? We got the bottom in 2015. And then we go through this bullshit phase, right? Where you know, gain some momentum and you lose all the momentum back, right? Same thing here. This was way better. Got everyone excited. And we came back to the same level where we were, right? We are somewhere here. Go up all the way, altcoins come back down. Go up all the way down. So where do you take profits? You take profits wherever you take profits. But after taking the profits, will you have the patience? Will you have the patience? Because it's going to take a long time to reach this area. So if you take profits here and it goes up, will you get in? Say it comes down here and you're like, man, we're going to come all the way down, and it goes up here and you buy back up again here. Will you have the patience to wait this level? It will come back down to this level, your altcoin. Say, for example, you pump, your altcoin pumps 3x, 4x, 5x, maybe 8x. Will you have the patience or the courage to sell right here? You know, because nobody knows how much your altcoin is going to pump. You can just speculate, okay? Depends on your risk tolerance and greed level, right? I am fine to take profit, start taking profit here, even if I know if it's going to go to here, because I do expect it to come back down here, right? So altcoins will go through this phase. So it's just, we have to see, is it going to be like this? Like create a bear flag like that? Or go up here go up here, come back down, and go to 2618 right here, and then crash, the big one, right? But it will happen. It will happen. We can't just, there's no unlimited amount of money in the market. There's a limited amount of money, and the goal is for the market makers to maximize their gain. So when the market is volatile, the whole 2023 is going to be very, very volatile. Again, very few people will make money because human emotion, nobody will take profits right here. Nobody will take profits here. Nobody will take profits here. We have to wait till 2025, right? The whole thing. Because the whole thing will pan out until 2025, right? In between, we have time to waste. And this is the time when market makers take advantage of the volatility of the human emotion. This thing is going to go there, right? $7 to $8 trillion, to be modest, $7 to $8 trillion. But we have this whole 2023 to waste time. Is it possible that we go up like this and then come back down? Yeah, possible. But hey, depending on where my altcoin is, you know, as I said, you must be holding a totally different altcoin, which is in total different cycle. And I'll be holding something else, which is in totally different cycle. So my altcoins are going to pump hard. So I'm excited, man. I'm so excited. There's, you know, movement going on right now in the markets. This freaking feels good. Feels good. Shrey, my Litecoin is at break even, and I was thinking of selling and moving into BCH. What do you think? Without giving me financial advice. I don't think Litecoin has the same upside. Let me know. Well, it's a tough decision, bro. I like Litecoin too. Mr. Mouse, how many trillion total market cap do you think we get in this cycle? And theta peak price, theta between $33 to $70. Where was I? I'm supposed to go to a strip club today. On a Monday night. Yeah, man. One of my friends coming over. So, yeah. And I know the girl who works there is my friend too. So, where was I? Focus, focus, focus. Let me see Litecoin, okay? This area is very critical right here. That $44 mark for Litecoin. Spend so much time here. Wherever Litecoin goes, it's bound to come back to this $44 mark. I don't know where it goes, how far it goes, but it's bound to come back to this mark. See how much time we spend here. Months and months at 44. This $40 mark, $40 to $44 mark. Spend a lot of time here. This is an inverted chart for Litecoin, okay? I'm not liking Litecoin that much. If it comes, you know, it would probably hit 786 right here. 217, maybe pushing it. Yeah, this 217 mark looks 220 to 217. It could stop here at 220, 200, yeah, that level. It's possible. And jerk you around till we break out. Challenging, man. I can't, you know, I haven't looked Litecoin for a long time, but I can tell you where Bitcoin Cash is going. BCH. I feel BCH is going to spend at 382 a lot of time at 382, but a wick could go to this level, between $750 to $800, $750 to $800 for Bitcoin Cash. But where it will spend a lot of time will be 382 right here at 500 bucks, between $480 to $500. This is where it's going to spend a lot of time. And then it'll go back down. So I do expect something like this, you know, spend time here in this 200, huge resistance right here for BCH. So we are going to come to 220 to 250, 220 to 250, waste time here, and then keep on going, you know, up, and waste a lot of time at 382. I mean, this will be a, you know, significant time here. The wick could go to 750 to 780, right, like that, and then we come back down, give all the gains back. But where do you take profit? Because it's possible that we stop at 382 and this starts to come back down from here at $480 to $500. It's totally possible that we may just go down until here and start coming back down. So where do you take profits? You take profits at 470 or, you know, 800 bucks. That you have to decide. No one can say that it'll go exactly at this point. But this is the range between $478 to $800. This is where Bitcoin Cash is going. Right now, Bitcoin Cash is $124. An off question here, Shrey, but how do you think real estate will do during this bull market? You think we will tank? Real estate market is not like the one in 2008-9. Every real estate market's different, especially at this time. Very different, because where are you located depends on that. You know, if you're in California, it'll be bad. You know, right now in Florida, for example, the market has tanked only 2, 3, 5%. But in San Francisco, market has tanked, 25, 30%. In Seattle, market has tanked 20%. Depend where you live, bro. In New York, in these big cities, especially blue states, it's tanking. It's tanking. So, again, it's momentarily, any hot assets, I feel, will do well. Will do well in the future, in the next 5 years. Any hot assets. Silver is going to do the best out of all the hot assets. Silver is going to do the best. Silver between $80 to $100. $80 to $100 by 2025 or 2026. Yeah, silver. Los Angeles, oh my God. God bless you, brother. Los Angeles, man, I think it's gonna tank, bro. A lot of people, I've seen so many of my friends move out of Los Angeles. It's crazy. I don't know, it's cursed or what, man. One after another, something or the other is going on. The quality of life is not good, and people are moving out. And the laws, every day they come out with a bullshit law over there, which intends to take money away from the middle class, or you can call the rich. So everyone's moving out of Los Angeles. The idea is, they're doing all this to push people away from Los Angeles or California, so that, if you make the policies really worse, right? I'm no politician or economist, but the only thing to think what is happening in New York, what is happening in Los Angeles, what's happening in Seattle. They want these big tech companies, or they want to develop another state like Texas, or, other places, Arizona, where there's a lot of land. And that's what I can think. The policies are so bad, the laws are so bad that everyone's moving out. The taxes are so bad. Do you think we reach 4-digit silver? No. 3-digit is possible. 100, between 90 to 100. Then after that, 90 to 100 is possible. 90 to 100 silver is possible. I was looking at the chart of silver. Look at the silver. $3,618. That's where, I would take profits between $90 to $100. I would say $90, $95 for silver. Depends how you look at it on a fib retracement. So where would I buy? I would think there's a possibility once we hit like 25, we could get a pullback down to this level, to $22. This is where I would get into silver. If we are lucky, okay? I plan to sell gold and buy silver right here. If we get a pullback, I'm waiting for a pullback for silver. But once we hit 25, 26, I expect it to go above this channel and then, you know, break, come back down one last time if we are lucky to give us an opportunity to buy at, you know, $22. Even right now, buying here is not bad, but, you know, I would rather, you know, just wait for a pullback. It's possible. Could even go to $28 and get a pullback. But bro, once it starts moving, yeah, it's going to go crazy. Silver, yeah, after this pullback, whenever that happens, that is done. It's finished. It's gonna have, silver is gonna have one of the best runs. People will be flabbergasted. Silver, $80 to $90 silver, totally possible. You know, it could be 2024, between 2024 and 2025, right? Crazy gains. How's everyone? Guys, make sure to hit that like button. Like. You're 9 of you. I see only 5 likes. What else? What else is moving? Coins to keep an eye on. Smooth Love Potion, Bitcoin Cash, Theta, Zilliqa, ACH. I don't know why I kept this level for ACH for the future. Right here. 0311 is the level. ACH dump is not done yet, so we will pump and give out all the gains back. As I said, it's going to be volatile until 2023, end of 2023 is going to be very volatile. I'm very bullish after first quarter of 2024. The only way we are going is up. No volatility. It'll be straight up. So until 2024, first quarter of 2024 is going to be volatile. You know, we'll go up, come back down. We go up, come back down. Like that. This is Ultimate Pay. Can pump to this level, you know, and waste some time before going higher. Alchemy pay. Trey, in your opinion, what do you think would be all-time high for SLP this year? Yes, 8 cents. 8 to 10 cents is possible, but I'm not waiting till 8 to 10 cents, bro. I'll start taking profits at 2 cents. At 2 cents, I will take you know, good amount of profits at 2 cents. It can go to 5 or 8 cents from there, but it's possible we may go down from there from 2 cents. But all the gains will be gone, you know, but it does not mean it's not going to pump again. It'll be just a good trade. It will go to 8 cents. It will go to 10 cents. It will possibly go to 32 cents SLP. Possibly $1. Possibly $1. Right? But during that run, it's going to be like a seesaw. It'll go up, give up all the gains. Say it starts to go up. That's how I see SLP. Right now where it is, goes up, gives out all the gain. All right. Then goes up, a little bit higher than that, gives out all the gain back again. And then goes back up last time like this. Okay. It'll be very quick and steep, but it'll build a staircase going up. All the dumps are going to be major dumps. Major dumps. But where it stops, that you have to make your mind up where you are willing to take profits. You take profits here, and it could pump a little more. It could pump a little more, 200, 300, 400% more, but it's going to come back down. So if you take profits and you are 8x here, here you are like 12x, here you are 8x, but you have some sort of money, the whole thing is going to come back down, right? So depends where you take your profits. So I would take profits probably 2-3 cents and let it ride if it's riding. And then, you know, depends on your risk tolerance. Okay, it's time for me to go to hit the strip club. All right, I'll see you later. Adios, amigos. Have a good one.